Today we are exploring one of Moscow's most famous areas. From Red Square to Old Arbat Street, this part of the city mixes old Russian charm with modern Moscow life. Moscow has nearly 900 years of history. Its early development began under Prince Yuri Dolgoruki. Moscow's history begins on the banks of the Moscow River. Early settlers built their homes here, and over time, this small riverside settlement grew into the capital of Russia. Along the Moscow River, you'll find some of the city's most important landmarks. St. Basil's Cathedral with its colorful domes, the legendary Red Square, and the fortified Kremlin Palace. This riverbank area has been the center of Russian power, tradition, and architecture for hundreds of years. Today, Moscow stands as a remarkable city in the world and an unforgettable destination, and a place everyone should experience at least once in their lifetime. This is the GUM department store, an iconic landmark of Moscow. Inside, the most beautiful part is its long glass roof. Sunlight comes through the curved glass panels and makes the whole place bright and warm. When walk inside, you see elegant balconies, clean stone floors, and classic iron designs. In the evening, small lights glow along the walkways, making GUM look magical. The building is a mix of simple beauty and old-style architecture, and it feels more like a historic gallery than a shopping mall. Now we are in Arbat Street. Arbat Street is one of the oldest and most famous streets in Moscow. It has existed for more than 500 years and was once a road used by traders, craftsmen, and noble families. Today, it is a lively pedestrian street filled with cafes, souvenir shops, street artists, and musicians. As you walk along Arbat, you see colorful buildings, old-style lamps, and artists drawing portraits right on the street. It's a popular place for tourists to relax, enjoy music, and feel the everyday life of Moscow. Arbat Street combines history, culture, and entertainment, making it one of the most charming places to visit in the city. On an average day, you can find around 20 to 40 street artists and live performers along the stretch. Musicians, painters, dancers, portrait sketchers, living statues, and small theater acts. Walking through the street feels like moving through a colorful corridor of culture. Cafe tables spill onto the walkway in summer, souvenir stands shine with bright colors. Restaurants fill the air with the smell of fresh meals. Together, these shops create the lively, artistic character that makes Arbat Street one of Moscow's most visited and photographed places. Finally, we arrived at the other end of Arbat Street, where the favorite location of street musicians.
Тысячу раз обрывал провода, сам себе кричал, укажу навсегда.